their most respected global partners, their audience, and my mentors. Good evening. Today I stand before you an analysis about Bangladesh's positions as solar or renewable energy present scenario. Bangladesh has a real wind energy case, but it is not a bird continued on. The strongest case is along the southern coastal belt and offshore, where the government has already built its first major grid scale wind project and is now backing with the mapping, bidding, tax incentives, and land access provisions under the Renewable Energy Policy 2025. In other words, wind looks more like a strategic complement to solar and imported fuels than a standalone national solution in the near term. SIDA Wind Map Renewable Energy Policy 2025 is been just review. Though its strength, Bangladesh's main strength is location, specific wind potential in coastal and offshore zones, now supported by an official SRIDA wind mapping platform built from MetMast, meteorological, and other primary data. The country also has a proof of concept assessed asset already in operation. The Cox Bazar wind plant, the 22 turbine and 60 megawatt net capacity commercial operations since October 2023. Policy support is improving too. The Renewable Energy Policy 2025 treats wind as one of the country's most prospective renewable resources after solar and offers competitive bidding, tax holidays, and possible duty or VAT exemptions for renewable project. Srida Wind Map Energy Transition Bangladesh Renewable Energy Policy 2025. Weaknesses. The biggest weaknesses is that Bangladesh's wind resource is uneven and highly site dependent. Academic work on Sandip, Shandip, and Kolapara shows feasible potential, but also stresses that output improves materially only at higher heights, while ground roughness, obstacles, and a strong seasonal variability reduce performance. On top of that, Bangladesh is densely populated and land constrained. So wind project face difficult sitting trade-offs, buffer requirements near homes and roads, environmental checks and transport or logistics problems for moving large turbine components. The official onshore guideline also requires a storage equal to at least 5% of plant capacity, which signals that grid stability remains a real integration issue. PMC study SRIDA offshore wind guideline. Opportunities. The opportunities case is strong if Bangladesh moves decisively offshore and in coastal clusters. a consortium led by Summit Com- Copenhagen, a consortium led by Summit Copenhagen Infrastructure Patterns and Copenhagen Offshore Patterns received approval in principle in 2023 to conduct feasibility work for a 500 megawatt offshore wind project of Cox's Bazar with an estimated value of about USD 1.3 billion. A project like this advance, Bangladesh could diversify away from imported fossil fuels, attract foreign direct investment, create skilled jobs, and develop blue economic capabilities. Policy momentum also helps. The Renewable Energy Policy 2025 allows open access transmission in some cases, encourages a strong and permits the use of fallow land, shore, seashores, and hilly terrain for renewable projects. Summit Power International Renewable Energy Policy 2025. I repeat, Summit Power International Renewable Energy Policy 2025. Threats. The threat profile is usually serious because the best wind zone are also among the most climate exposed parts of Bangladesh. Recent research and reviews highlight cyclone exposure, salinity related equipment, uh, deterioration, fragile and infrastructure, and high capital cost as persistent risk for the sector. The official sitting rules add further exposure to delay projects can be blocked or reshaped by bird and bat concern. Shadow flicker limits aviation and telecom interference, land use disputes, and roads or bridge transport constraints. Mm, in short, Bangladesh may have wind potential, but the most promising sites also some with the country's toughest engineering, environmental, and resilience conditions. Springer's review Srida offshore wind guideline. Bottom line, a fair short conclusion in this wind power in Bangladesh is promising, but selectively so it is strongest as a coastal or offshore renewable growth area that can improve energy security and diversity the power mix. Yet it remains weaker than solar in ease of development because of land scarcity, complex logistics, grid limitations, and climate risks. So for Bangladesh, wind should likely be pursued as a targeted, resilient coastal and offshore strategy, not as the sole backbone of renewable expansion. Renewable Energy Policy 2025 Spinzer's Review Energy Transition Bangladesh. Visual references. A visual image references for presentation in Cox's Bazar 60 megawatt wind power plant for the business standard. Image source business standard. A short video references in Bangladesh enters wind power era with Cox's Bazar project into operation on YouTube video source. And if you want, I can also turn this into a 2 by 2 sort matrix and or a on page report or a presentation ready slide version. It's most important in depth, in between line. Thank you so much.